So our last section is on partial fractions. Before we actually do any partial fraction problems, I want to do a review problem. And that's number 1, where it says we need to add the following rational expressions. So again, this is a review from algebra. I need to get an LCD for this. So my LCD is the actually two denominators just combined. So x plus 2 and x minus 3. So the first fraction is missing an x minus 3. So then I need to also multiply the top by x minus 3. And the second fraction is missing an x plus 2. And then I also need to multiply the top by x plus 2. So if we distribute that, then this is going to be 3x minus 9 over x minus 3, x plus 2, and then 4x plus 8 over x minus 3 and x plus 2. So now that they have the same denominator, we are allowed to add the numerators. So my denominator will remain the same. I'm not going to change that. But my numerator, if I combine like terms on top, 3x plus 4x is 7x. And then minus 9 plus 8 is minus 1. So this will be my final answer. So again, this was combining rational expressions from a previous chapter and from Math 100A. The problems that are upcoming are called partial fraction decomposition, or just partial fractions, and those are going to be the inverse operation of this. So we're going to reverse this process.